So welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss. If you're new joining in, let me give you a warm welcome. So glad that you decided to stop by and check out today's video. So this is just a quick video to show you guys that these are my new set of braids, which you guys saw from the previous video. I am going to be using the Mielle strengthening hair oil to help promote healthier hair growth underneath these braids. And so this is what it looks like. If you guys have been following me along my journey of using this particular oil, you know that I've been using it for a couple of weeks now, maybe even a month, and I have seen some positive results thus far. So basically what I'm doing is I'm going in just showing you guys how I am applying the oil to my scalp. If you're new tuning in, let me encourage you that you subscribe, that you hit that bell notification so that you'll be alerted of new videos, and show me some support because it encourages me by giving me a great big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. So I'm just kind of going in, but I'm trying to be as gentle as possible because these braids at this point is no more than a few days old. So I'm just going in with the oil. I really like it, you guys, because it keeps my scalp moisturized, so I have very less itching due to the scalp being moisturized and not dry. I'm not a fan of the smell initially, but once it goes away after a day or so, you're good to go. So yeah, I'm just going in and I'm applying it. Again, you guys see that these are new braids. I will provide you guys an update in a few weeks so that we can see how much hair growth we have from using this oil in these set of braids that I have here. You guys, if you're wondering why my hair is kind of curved that way, it is because I do have it pinned down with a bobby pin on both sides. I do have an active life, so I do not want the hair falling down in my face while I'm getting it in at the gym. So just kind of help keep some of my hair back off my face. That's why I do have these bobby pins. And I am going along the perimeter of my hair. I am trying to grow my baby hairs back a little bit thicker. I've never had really thick baby hairs, but as full as I can get my baby hairs, I definitely want to get them as full as possible. Anyway, that concludes today's video. I'll see you tubes in the next one. Smooches.